Hello viewers, I know it's been a long time since I made a video and now I'm here with this look. This look was requested from a person from Facebook. Her name is Sahitya Ramesh and she wanted like this brown smoky eye. So this is what I have done for her. So I hope you like this video, Sahitya Ramesh. So let's go ahead and start with the makeup. So I've already prepped my face. Now I'm going to move on with the foundation. I'm applying some concealer where I require the most. So I'm going to let my foundation and my concealer set for a while before I apply my powder. So now moving on to my eyes. Soft Ochre from MAC. It's the eyeshadow base. So now I'm going to be applying a light color brown in the inner corner of my eyelids. I'm using the same brush but switching the color into a black, dabbing a little black and starting from the outer corner of your eyes. First you draw like a thick line up to your crease and then you blend the two colors with the same brush. I'm taking a clean blending brush and I'm just going to diffuse the hard lines that I see anywhere in my eyes. I'm using a different brown shade that has a tinge of redness to it and I'm applying that on the crease of my eyes because I feel the eyeshadow is really flat. So if you do this technique, your eyeshadow will also have some definition to the eyes. So I want this area to be more sharp and clean. So I'm going to just wipe that across that. You can also use a foundation brush like this so you to like sharpen it if you find it hard with a rounder foundation brush. Now I'm going to set my foundation and my concealer with some powder. So if you guys don't like a really hard contouring and you like something really subtle, then this is the best product for that. This is MAC. It's from the Reedy collection and it's called Love Rihanna. This is really nice. This comes with a little bit of bronze highlighter, which is an R, and then a contouring around it. So if you want to use a highlighter, then you can use this R, which is a bronze highlighter, on your cupid bow or on your cheekbones, wherever you want to highlight. So I'm not going to touch that bronze. I'm only using the brown contouring powder in my angular brush. I'm switching the brush and applying the same contouring powder on my nose. Blend that out. Don't want any hard lines shown. Now I'm going to highlight my face with this Prep and Prime highlighter. So this is the places I would highlight. Okay, now I'm just going to blend that out with a blending brush. You can either put this highlighter after you apply your concealer and your foundation before setting the powder, or you could apply it after setting the powder, whichever you prefer. I obviously prefer it like after setting my powder. So the MAC Prep and Prime highlighter really worked very well and blended really well. If you want to watch the video on how to use the MAC Prep and Prime highlighter, then you would have to wait and watch it in the next episode. So now moving on to my blush. I don't know what's up with me today, but I'm completely doing everything upside down. So I forgot my eyeliner, mascara and some kohl. Now I'm going to go back and fill in the blank eyes. I'm going to show you two ways to do this eyeliner and you can choose which you prefer and then you could do what you want. This is one kind of the eyeliner look, which is the normal one that most people would tend to go for because the winged out is kind of complicated. Well, winged out is not complicated at all. So if you like this look, then you can stick to this. If you don't like this look, then you can do a winged out look. So I'm going to show you 3 options of lipstick that you could probably wear with this kind of smoky eyes, so you will have an idea of what kind of lipstick you would probably prefer for yourself. So we have finally come to the end of the video, and I hope you guys like this kind of a tutorial, which is very different from my other tutorial where I explain like 3 different lipsticks, how it looks for this kind of look. So if you like these kind of videos, please do put the comment down in the comments bar below, and I will get back to you soon as I can. So thank you so much and have a great day, and I will see you guys next time in the next video.